Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how TaxoFlow works and how you can automatically rename files using fully customizable naming conventions. Folder path. Let's start with the folder path section. This is where you select the folder that contains the files you want to rename. TaxoFlow also supports subfolders, so it can process entire folder structures automatically. Preset Builder. This is where you build your naming convention preset. Here, you define what information should appear in the final file name. For example, job number, market language, platform, brand. To add a new category, click Add New Category. Type the category name, for example, job number, and then click Add Category. The category will automatically appear in the visual pattern builder below. From this section, you can also edit categories or remove categories whenever needed. Preset operations. If you regularly use the same naming structure, you can save it as a preset. Simply enter a preset name and click Save. Your saved preset will appear in the Presets dropdown in the top left corner and can be reused anytime. Smart Options. The Smart Options section helps automate the renaming process. Auto Detect Size. Automatically detects file dimensions or resolutions for PNGs, JPGs, HTMLs, animated banners, MP4s, and other video assets. Include original file name. Keeps the original file name as part of the final naming convention. Auto Detect Asset Type. Automatically identifies whether the asset is an image, an HTML banner, or a video. Remove detected size from original. If the original file name already contains a resolution or aspect ratio, this option removes it before adding the standardized version. This helps avoid duplicates. Visual Pattern Builder. In the Visual Pattern Builder, you can see exactly how the final naming convention will look. Each category appears as a draggable chip. You can easily reorder the structure using drag and drop. This gives you full control over how the final file names are generated. The chips generated by Smart Options include dedicated icons and can be enabled or disabled at any time. Separator. The separator field lets you choose which character is used to separate values in the file name. For example, underscores, dashes, or any custom separator you prefer. Conflict Strategy. Conflict Strategy controls what happens when duplicate file names already exist. Increment. Automatically adds a number to avoid conflicts. Skip. Skips duplicate files entirely and only renames files that do not create conflicts. Actions/preview. In the Actions section, you can generate a preview before renaming anything. Here, you can compare the original file name and the newly generated file name. This is a dry run, so no files are modified yet. Rename files. The files are only renamed after clicking Rename Files. Once the process is complete, you can immediately view the renamed assets directly inside the folder. And that's TaxoFlow, a fast and flexible way to standardize naming conventions for any type of digital asset. Thanks for watching.